Today we are going to learn how to make latch hook rug.
For this you will need latch hook.
Easily available in the market. This is how a latch hook will look. You will need a mat, a pair of scissors, a cardboard, and wool. You may also need a brush pen. This is not a must. If you want to draw a design, you can use a camelin brush pen, which is easily erasable when washed. First thing, we need to make strips of yarn. You can use any technique for this which you feel comfortable. This is one method of making strips. This is how the strips will be. You can also use your hand . Make such strips. Now, to begin with how to make a latch hook rug. First, insert yarn to the hook like this. Hold your hook straight. Just insert the yarn. The yarn should be below the hook. It should be somewhere here. Once you have done this, insert the hook into the hole like this. Then slightly pull the yarn and twist it inside this area like this.
Now your yarn should be like this. Now close and then pull. Tighten it. So as you can see, we have a knot.
Contrast white color so that you can. You should hold your yarn like this and then your hook like this. Just insert the yarn into your hook completely. Once you have done this like this, just insert your hook into the hole. Once you have inserted, just slightly pull it under the pin and inside the gap. Just put it inside this gap, this area. Then you can close it. Automatically it closes. And then just pull. You just have to pull. You've made a knot. This is one method of making a knot. Now I'll show you another method of making a knot. Once again, hold the yarn. In this case, just insert the hook. Put the yarn here in this area and just pull it up and then twist it and pull it out. This is another way of making a knot. Once again, turn, insert your hook, put your yarn into the slot, just pull. It should come here underneath, then put it inside the slot and just pull. This is another method of making a knot. There is a difference in the knot making. You can see there is in this case it is like this, and in this case a knot is shown here. Whichever method you are comfortable, you can give it a try. You can make zigzag color like this, a mat. If you want to make a design, you just have to draw, mark the specific area, and then fill it in the specific color. This is a wall hanging which has been done using this technique. You can see how finished and how soft it is. This is the back side. If you want, you can cover the back side using a canvas or just decorate it using a lace.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, see you.